right?
See it over
Look
there?
at it.
Oh yeah, there it is. Let's chase it. All right. Yeah, that's right. Control the speed, dude. Man.
Oh, we're right next to it.
There it is.
Here it is.
We caught it.
Yeah, we caught it. Yes, there it is. We caught the train. It's Union Pacific and NS, right? Yeah. Yep. Oh, dude, that train was speeding, right? Like, pretend this is Fast and Furious, right? Or the Fast and Furious. Yeah. Starring Vin Diesel and the late great Paul Walker. Union Pacific and NS. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah. Oh, we blocked the trees. Well, $56.24 and $61.05.
Where are they coming from?
Oh, Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern. Dude, look at that train. It's speeding up pretty good. Well, looks like we're entering the curb, so yep. Farewell. And that's all, folks.